You all know that I don't talk about how to make money, right? But I just want to quickly share these tips with you. Are you a stay-at-home mom, a student, or anybody at all who is willing and ready to make it big this 2025? I want to quickly share one app with you. This app will make you to earn a lot just by replying messages. You don't need to subscribe, you don't need to invite people, you don't need to refer people before you can earn. You just what reply to messages. You understand? That's just the thing. I'm going to share this app with you. But before that, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Rosie G. Rosie G of Nigeria. So I'm from Nigeria, yes. So please, if today is the first time you are coming across my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I will drop a video. You all know that normally I talk about how to grow your YouTube, um YouTube growth, cooking, and lifestyle and all of that. I don't talk about how to make money, but this one is very very important because I know all of us are here on YouTube for what? For the cash, you understand? As you can see, I'm not even ready. I'm not even ready. Like I'm not even prepared for this video. I just feel like, oh, let me do this because it's very very important. Let me use this opportunity to do it. You understand? So you just want app. This app, have you subscribed to my channel before I say it? Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Like and share this video. Share so that other people can watch and learn. Let us end together, okay? 2025, we must stop begging for urgent 2K. Rather, who will be the one to be giving them urgent 2K? You understand? If you are in that category, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned and watch this video till the end. This one app is very very important. You need to have this app on your phone, and this app is called what? Keto app. Keto app. I'll put the logo so that you will see in case you want to download the app. Please and please don't fake it. Make sure you register with your real identity. You understand? Anything they ask you, put it, be real, verify the account. If you don't verify it, you will not earn. You understand? Verify it. Let them know that yeah, this person is real, not all those one you go there Naija, those our boys now they come dey use foreign number. They no, don't do that. Use your real identity for this account if you really want to do this and tag me later. I know they had update to see this 2035 we go make am big. All of us go make am big. You just all you need is what? Data and your smartphone. Boom, you are good to go. Just your data and what? Your smartphone. You are good to go. So please and please go and download this app. It's very very important. Go and download this app. If you know you want to stop begging for urgent 2K this 2025, go and download this Keto app. It's very very what? Important. Please don't be offended. Let me put something in my mouth first. Go and download what? This app. It's very very important. You verify it. Very very important. Make sure you verify it. I hope you find this video very very useful and interesting. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. If you are finding it difficult to maybe to create the account or to verify it, if there's anything, come back to this video and ask a question. I will definitely reply you, okay? Please don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Let us grow together, okay? Love you. Bye 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 bye.